Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to log on to the analysis services using SQL Server Management Studio. I have already launched SQL Server Management Studio. So under the server type, I'm going to click on the drop down and look for analysis services. There is no server populated, so I'm going to click on the drop down here and browse. And then under the local servers, I'll click on the analysis services, and that is the name I gave to my analysis services. So I click on that and click OK, and then click on the connect button. After connecting to the analysis services, you have two folders, one for databases. If you have any databases, they will be stored in the databases folder. We also have a management folder. So if I click on the plus sign, and you can see that we have under the management folder, we have extended events. We have the sessions folder. So at the moment, these are all empty. To disconnect from the analysis services, click on this icon here to disconnect. And to exit the SQL Server Management Studio, click on File and click Exit. In this video, I showed you how to log on to the analysis services using SQL Server Management Studio. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.